Hello you guys, how are you doing? Welcome to another opportunity to be in the comfort of our home right in our kitchen. How are you? I thank the Lord for another Saturday like this. It can only be the Lord. Today I'm going to be teaching us how to combine fruits together for our juice that works well. This is our fruit. Today we're going to be using pineapple. We'll be using our pineapple, we'll be using apple, and you can use any type of apple. Here I have the white and I have the colored apple. So I'm not going to be using the colored apple today, I'll be using the white apple, but anyone you have can go. And I'll be using my oranges and lemon. So let's get into it. I'm going to get my apple, my fruits washed and diced. So come along, let's do it together. So I'll be first starting with my pineapple. I'm going to cut this off. I'll rinse thoroughly. So I'm going to rinse it thoroughly. You need to rinse it thoroughly. And we're going to be cutting it. So I'm peeling it off. Make sure you remove every peel. Make sure it's clean. So you dice your pineapple. You can cut it into chunks. So we're done with the pineapple. Now I'm going in with my orange. So for my oranges, I don't want the peels in my juicer, so I'm just going to cut it off and remove the peel. So this is what I do, this is what I want. I don't want this. So let me do one more. So this is what I want. So my white apple is washed. So I'm going to cut it into four, but I'm not going to remove the peel because I want it for my fiber. I'll remove the seed in. So this is what I want. So for my lemon, I'm going to cut it also and remove the outer peel. The same thing I did to my orange. I don't want the outer peel. I just want the taste of the lemon. So I'm done putting them in bites. So now I'm going to start cleaning everything, wash. So now we are going to juice. So I'm just going to put them gradually. So we're going to be pouring it into our jug, and you are going to allow it to, so as I continue, so this is our juice, is ready, and just let's have a taste of it even before putting it in our fridge. In fact, wow, so creamy, so juicy. This is a good option of combined fruits for your juice. It's so nice. Thank you for staying with us till now. Please do give us a thumbs up, share and subscribe. Turn off your notification bell. God bless you. Bye.